Hi, my name is Edwin Kestler. I'm the co-founder of RoboCrops, where we are democratizing robotics in precision agriculture with OpenGrowCore, an open source robotics platform that transforms any 800 drone parts into smart farming or gardening assistance. Our robots use Amazon-like services to receive application maps, which are generated from real-time satellite images or drone visuals, thrown in together climate datasets so that these maps can automate actual labor, precise pesticide application, optimized fertilization, or even schedule the deployment of something like a solar coffee drying robot. This is not just analysis anymore. This is real work, field work being done by robots. On average, one robot at RoboCrops can replace a 15-person manual crew working 6 to 10 hectares per day while reducing chemical misuse by 16%. That's massive savings for farms and serious climate impact for less waste and fewer emissions. But we're not just building robots. We actually want to build is a firmware as a service ecosystems so that farmers can download precision maps that put instructions over AWS and watch the robots carry those tasks being done autonomously, either offline and terrain aware. Imagine Alexa, but just not for turning your lights on, but updating your crop strategy and optimizing your solar dryer or triggering a lawnmower fertilizer applicator with pinpoint accuracy. With Amazon mentorship and potential for integration, we can embed our lightweight protocols into millions of low-power robots, from AI lawnmowers to robotic modular arms that trim your roses, enabling climate tech to actually perform agricultural labor. We have already completed multi-year field trials in sugarcane and coffee, secured $50,000 from Agritech partners, and are planning to expand toward 100 robot fleet with a firmware as a service model at $200 per robot per month. RoboCrop is where climate tech meets labor automation that is scalable, sustainable, and deployable now.